Passive income sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth nobody tells you. Most people chasing it end up broke. Not because they're lazy, but because they never learn the money skills that actually keep wealth once it shows up. Have you ever tried to make money online and felt it slip through your fingers? This is why. And today I'm breaking down the one product inside the Home Business Academy that could change that, and why it's the piece almost everyone skips. Stick with me in the end because I'll show you exactly what's inside, how it works, and the bonus system you get when you lock arms with me. A system that helps you build traffic leads and sales for any program while paying you instant commissions, right? This is the Home Business Academy Financial Literary Academy Review, Passive Income. Here's a stat that'll blow your mind. 78% of lottery winners grow broke within 5 years. They had the money, but not the literacy. That's why this product exists. It's not about hype. It's about plugging the leaks in your financial bucket. And if you ever wondered why passive income feels like chasing smoke, this will make sense. The Financial Literacy Academy, or FLA, is a $500 one-time product inside the Home Business Academy. It's not like the Funnel Builder or the Premium membership or the Let's Go app, which are monthly subscriptions that create residual income. Instead, FLA is designed to teach you how to handle money once you start earning it. Inside, you'll find modules on how to eliminate debt fast without gimmicks, tax strategies that let you keep more of what you earn legally, wealth principles that the wealthy actually use but rarely teach, and how to think like someone who's financially free instead of stuck in survival mode, and practical steps to protect and grow your money long term. I had a friend who made his first $200 online. He was pumped until tax season hit. He actually owed more than he made because he didn't know the basics. One model in FLA would have saved him that pain. Now, HBA has paid out millions in commissions to affiliates. And while most people focus on the recurring income streams, the top affiliates use FLA as a credibility anchor. Why? Because when you can show prospects you understand money, you stand out. Affiliates earn an 80% commission on this one-time product. That's $400 per sale. So even if you never buy it, you need to know why it matters. Passive income without financial literacy is like pouring water into a leaky bucket. You can make money, but if you don't know how to keep it, grow it, and protect it, you'll always feel broke. It's like building a house on sand. The structure might look good for a while, but one storm and it collapses. FLA is the foundation. Imagine building residual income streams from HBA Premium or the Funnel Builder or the Let's Go app, and then using FLA to make sure you actually keep what you earn and build on it. Right? FLA is for beginners who are skeptical about passive income, but curious enough to learn. It's for affiliates who want to add credibility to their offers. It's for families who want to stop living paycheck to paycheck. And it's for entrepreneurs who are tired of chasing money without a plan to manage it. If you're brand new, this gives you a foundation. If you're experienced, it fills the gaps most marketers ignore. And if you're already earning, it helps you keep more of what you make. Drop a comment, what's the #1 money skill you wish you learned sooner? Let me share something personal. I'll show you proof in just a moment. One of my referrals purchased a level I wasn't even qualified at, which is the Let's Go app. Now here's where most companies would just pocket the commission and move on. But HBA didn't do that. They emailed me directly. They laid everything on the table and gave me a deadline to qualify so I could start earning and get paid at that level. Not just one time, but residually, month after month after month. Think about that. Again, they could have kept the money. Instead, they gave me the chance to step up and claim it. That's not just a company, that's a partner. And here's the best part. When you lock arms with me, you get the same wave opportunity with any of their products. Whether it's the Funnel Builder, the Let's Go app, the Premium level, or even the Home Business Academy Financial Literacy Academy. How awesome is that? And I want to show you that email. Give me just a moment. I'll be right back. As you can see, this is from HBA Support. We're in the process of paying commissions and notice you had commissions owed on a product that you currently do not own, the Let's Go app. To ensure you don't miss out on commissions, if you decide to purchase the product in question by this coming Monday at midnight, we will proceed with paying out your commissions. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And while I'm here, I'm going to show you some other emails and also my bank account to show you that I'm actually making money with the Home Business Academy, actually in profit. So here's $34.50 from Bank of America, okay, from e-wallet. Here's $83.05 from a different program. Here's $6.50, which is automatically initiated to my e-wallet, so I don't have to do anything. Once I set it up, it's set and forget it. I get paid every single month on this product. Okay, pretty cool. Same thing with the first one. I already set it up, so I should get paid, automatically. Not automatically, automatically. I like that term. So, but get in where you fit in, okay? You get started with this program, even if the legs go up, you can feel confident because not only if they give you they give you opportunities to get paid at other levels that you're not qualified at if somebody you referred goes ahead of you. So, as you can see, I've showed you those commissions. I'm going to show you inside my bank account. Okay, here's the $6.50 I talked about. Here's the $34.50, both from Home Business Academy. And here's $83.05 from a different company, which is Affiliate Mentor. So I actually show you that I'm earning. And here's the kicker. When you join me at the $25 level, you don't just get the funnel builder. You get my daily traffic and sales system, instant commissions to your favorite processor, and training your team can duplicate. So you not only learn how to build traffic, leads, and sales through attraction marketing, but you can plug your people in, get paid, and build any program. Okay, any program you can dominate rankings, and I'll show you in just a minute how that works. Real rankings proof. Okay. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow, open your laptop, and there's a simple checklist waiting. Post here, share this, create this, and then send this message. You follow, and boom, leads and sales start coming in. And the commissions, they hit your favorite processor instantly. Most people said that's from the Super Freedom Warriors, okay? Most people, but it can build any program. It's not just HBA. Most people pay hundreds a month for this kind of system. You get it bundled for free at $25. Now, it's not free for me. I'm paying for it out of my own pocket. But that's how I want to help you. I want to give you the best bonus that can build any program and create duplication in any program, because everybody's trained on the exact steps they need to do to dominate YouTube, Google, and social media. Okay? So I'm going to show you how that works before I move on. Okay, so these are real ranking proof. As you can see, I'm in incognito mode. So I'm going to start with the Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. Now we're just showing you one term. As you can see, I am 1, 2, 3, and 4 for Home Business Academy DFY marketing system on Google. And as you can see, a couple of these are Instagram posts. I'm going to click on it so you can see that it's really me. Hopefully it loads in a decent amount of time so you can see the picture. There it is right there. Okay? So these are actual posts I did on Instagram that are ranking on Google. How cool is that? And so I'm going to go to YouTube. Check the same term. As you can see, incognito. Number 2 video on YouTube. The number 1, 2, 3, and 4 result on Google. Okay? How powerful is that? Here's another one. And another one, 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 and another one. And here's another team member, and another one bites the dust. See, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 results. In probably the top 10 or 13, because these ads do not count, okay? I'm going to move on to another one, but that's powerful. Now, it's not about me, it's about you. If you plug in these simple steps and stay consistent, you can dominate just like I am. Okay? And more importantly, your team can dominate and make you even more money, right? How cool is that? For any system, this system will work. So the Funnel Builder Review 2025. As you can see, still incognito mode. And I'm going to also mention other people that have taken this training. Andrew Guthrie is one. Okay, there's me, and this is for YouTube, okay? There's me, and me, and me, and me again. So another team member, the number 1 short. And there it is again and again. See, this is like and again and again. It's like a snowball and again and again and again and again. It's like a snowball going downhill. The more you stay consistent, the more you will rank easier and easier. And you don't have to put yourself on camera. I made plenty of videos for Super Freedom Warriors where I'm doing just tutorials and just screen shares. It's bothering me. I'm not in the middle. Okay. But you can see you can dominate YouTube and even rank first page on Google if you just stay consistent with this training, which will build any system. You can dominate YouTube. Okay, this is the same term as incognito. Here's Andrew Guthrie again, another team member that's taking this training. And there's a video from me, and there's another video from me. Is this YouTube or Google? This is YouTube. Give me a minute. I don't know how that happened. Give me a second. Copy. So we're going to look inside Google. And we're going to go to the videos. Okay, because here's one for Instagram. Here's another from Instagram. Here's a video from YouTube. And here's an Andrew Guthrie video, and here's another YouTube video. So, like I said, you can rank. It's harder to rank on Google, but you can rank. I had one where I was ranked first, second, third, and fourth. So the Let's Go app review on Google. This is a recent video. The number 2 video, right? The number 2 result. Video would be different. And here's a postcard lifestyle one, okay? So these are things I posted a few days ago. And here's the Let's Go app review on YouTube. Guess what? There's a video right here. The Let's Go app. And see, here's another Andrew Guthrie video. But I want to show you another, what I'm talking about here. See, look at this. Home Business Academy, business opportunity. Finally escape the ML trap and build real income online. And compensation plan. See, once you rank for and keep making videos, you rank for terms that are not even the same. Look, Let's Go app review, but look at this. Okay, that's powerful, right? That's the system actually working. That's the snowball route going downhill. It starts as a snowball, you'll be scared of the snowball, but if you, by the time it hits the ground, it's an avalanche. Okay, so I want to show you something real quick. I'm going to take this video right here. So I'm going to copy this share code, right? Copy. And I'm going to go back to right here and watch this video change. I'm going to paste it over the other one. And there you have it, okay? So here's the bottom line. The Home Business Academy Financial Literacy Academy Review Passive Income isn't about making passive income directly. It's about making sure the passive income you build doesn't slip through your fingers. Click the link below, grab the playlist, and when you lock arms with me at the $25 level, you'll get the exact system to build traffic, leads, and sales for any program while getting paid instantly and residually. How cool is this? Let's do it together. I'm going to show you a couple more things while I'm there. Okay. So if I go to, since I have some more time, I'm going to show you some extra training. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to show you that you can actually change the meta tags. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to show settings, and I'm going to go back to my video. I'm going to copy this right here, and I'm going to paste it in 4 different ways. Copy. Okay. It's doing the same things over and over again, but you get used to it, you get faster and faster. Paste. Paste. Oops. You get the picture though, I think. So paste. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to do it. For some reason, there it is. So, this is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay, get with Jay today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.